Hey everyone, Pamela here with Piphany Stylist Piphany, and today's video is how to wrap the Park top by Piphany. This is their latest top. It is a wrap, as you can see. It has these super long pieces, and you can wrap this thing a ton of different ways. Really, any way you can use your imagination and you can wrap this thing. So the normal, everybody's wearing it this way. You just wrap this over here, you grab this piece and you just bring it around the back. You take this other piece that you wrapped over, bring that one around the back, and then tie it just like that. Now, this is how everybody's wearing it. They kind of wear it low on the hip. It's still really long, especially on me. I'm 5'3", so it's down there. And this is my normal size. The part comes in 1 through 4 sizing, so this is a size 2, and I'm an 8'10". I'm usually medium-ish on the size chart, so this is where it hits on me. So that's number 1. Some people, let's see, are doing it so that they tie it kind of like up here. So wrap, around and around. See if I can find these guys again. Now they're coming up here and wrapping it kind of like under the bust line. You kind of have to pull these things and play with them a little bit. But they're wrapping it up here to give themselves a narrower waist, which you could do. It's really like personal preference on how you want to wear this thing. It's so versatile. You can make a cute little bow, which mine's kind of ugly, but you know, you can make, if you have bow wrapping skills, you can make a bow. So that's number 2, wearing it really high up. Now, I like to wear things a little longer, so I don't really like having my sweater like super high up, even though it is, as you can see, its normal length is not very long to begin with, but you don't have to wrap it super tight. You can wrap it kind of on the loose scale as long as you have a shirt on underneath, because that's all you need is that happening. So take your wraps and kind of wrap them down lower. This is the way I like it because I like to be covered, and I also freeze all the time, so more layers for me is better. Come on, you. And then wrap that. You can always play with the layers as you're going because they might come, you know, one might ride up a little bit and you can't really see it until you look in the mirror. And this is wearing it lower so that I am totally covered all back here. And like I said, you can play with these after you get it tied and see, you know, where you want to have it pulled down, pulled up, not covered, covered. Now see, I like this a lot better because I feel like it makes this part of me like look longer, and I'm all for looking taller because trust me, I need it bad. So here's a couple ways to wrap the park. Let me know what you think. Come visit me on Facebook at Pamela Stylist Piphany. See ya.